Good morning, children. Welcome to our online SST class. Today we will continue our chapter 4, The Great Indian Desert, with the topic of life of the people and places of tourist interest in Rajasthan. Children, in the western part of Rajasthan, people domesticate goat, sheep and camel and feed them with small bushes or dry food because there is no food, no grasses, so that's why the people feed them with small bushes and dry food. They move from one place to another in search of water and also to sell milk products, animal skin and handicraft. As they keep moving with their belongings, they are called nomads because the people are not staying one place and they are moving in search of water. They don't have any permanent houses. Even today, people move across the desert in groups with camels called caravans. A group of camels moving from one place to another and laden with goods and people. This is called caravans. You know that, children, in the eastern part of Rajasthan, farming and animal rearing are common because there is some little rainfall, so that's why in Rajasthan farming is possible and animal rearing is also common here. Here, water stored in tanks and wells helps to irrigate the land. People are employed in mica, copper and zinc mines. Marbles and sandstone are found in the region. Children, Rajasthani craft items and tie and dye fabric are admired everywhere because people love this. This is tie and dye cloth. First of all, tie the cloth and then dye it. The dryness of air, sandstorm and sand dunes have influenced the dress of the people. Both men and women cover their heads to protect themselves from scorching heat of the sun and sandstorm during the day, because it was not able to survive without cloth, without covering the head. The men wear turban and the women wear ghagra choli with odhni. The people of Rajasthan like to dress up in colorful clothes. They like to wear clothes of bright color with dark spots and jewelry. They speak Rajasthani, a dialect of Hindi. The common dress worn by the women are sari, choli and ghagra, choli with odhni. And the traditional dresses of man include dhoti, angrakhi and pagdi. Dashera, Diwali, Holi and Eid are celebrated in Rajasthan. Teej and Gangaur are festivals in which women take part heartily while swing on the swings and sing songs. Ghumar dance is a famous folk dance performed by women on festival occasions. This is a folk dance of Rajasthan. And the next is tourist interest. Famous places of tourist attraction are Udaipur, Jaipur, Lake of Place at Udaipur, Hawa Mahal and Amber Fort at Jaipur, and cities of Jodhpur and Bikaner are well known here.